So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to generate a trial balance in Xero. So firstly, log into your Xero account and navigate to the top menu, then click on Accounting. Then select Reports. Scroll through the report library, then look under the Accounting or Advanced section. Then select the General Ledger Report. Now you need to configure for trial balance values. Set your fiscal date range and change the Sort by drop-down menu to Account Code. Also, check the boxes for cash basis and show YTD, then click on the Update button to refresh the data. Also, review the YTD balance column. Positive values represent your debits, while negative values represent your credits. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.